2009 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.